ilalagay mo yung bulb dito para makontrol mo yung patay-sindi ng bulb mo. Hello Mimigos, in this video guys, I'm going to unbox another product from Lasco, which may bagos ng product na makakatipid ka regarding with buying a bulb. The store nila, which is, sa akin naman yung bulb nila is super fancy. You can change it by color, you can change it by kung anong gusto mong kadim. Ito naman guys, for me, it's more efficient na not to buy the Lasco bulb instead of this. Let's get into the video para malaman natin kung anong ibig kong sabihin. So, okay guys, let's have the unboxing. This is worth 759 pesos. Kasama na yung shipping. Pero nasa 600 pesos yata to. So, yung product natin is galing from JNT. Okay guys, it's their smart Wi-Fi bulb socket, which is ilalagay mo yung bulb dito para makontrol mo yung patay-sindi ng bulb mo. So, you don't need to buy the smart one, which is bulb siya na may Wi-Fi. You just need to buy this one for in general. You can put any bulb, ilang watts, kasi limited lang kasi sa Lasco. They only have the 9 watt, the 10 watt, and the 15 watts. So, ito guys, you can put any watt based on my 30 watts na yung maximum. 30 watts is very max naman talaga. Like, hindi naman maglalagay ng 30 watts, diba? Normally kasi 15 hanggang ilalim lang. 20 is okay naman, pero 30 is more. Like, ano ba to? Street lights. This is the smart bulb socket ng Lasco, and based on my experience, all of their products sa Lasco is connected to or controlled by Alexa or controlled by Google. Wala pa silang connected sa HomePod or sa Apple. Ano pa lang? Amazon, Toya, then Google, Siri, shortcut lang siya. Let's get into the video. So, I think bago nila to, like they released this product June or July. So, yung kasama sa box is the instructions and yes, the instructions kung paano mo siya gamitin. Since meron naman tayong very easy naman sa atin gamitin pag nag-umpisan mo na siya. So, next is the bulb. Yan. It's just a basic socket bulb. Ilalagay ko dito sa kwarto ko is because I only have the 9 watt. Then meron siyang date guys kung paano siya na-release. So may logo siya ng Lasco. Universal siya guys, na which any kind of bulb, like a small bulb or the big one with the man LED, or like the bulb talaga na wala siyang LED, like the fluorescent na ano. And also you can control it by turning on and off. Ayan guys, thank you very much for watching and see you in my next vlog. Adios mi amigos.